Hey, it's Nathan. I've been trading for 8 years, working my way to total independence and getting awesome results. Now, I only do what interests me. Today, we're racing into trading, but I'll be the co-pilot while my AI steers. Its win rate is 91.3% and my team of professional traders and developers is always improving it. Both experts and beginners will find this interesting. Let's go! Today, I'll talk about my trading bot. I'm a bit embarrassed, it's packed so neatly and user-friendly. If only you knew what was behind the scenes. My team worked on it for about 9 months. We have only top-tier traders and programmers on our team. To simplify what we did, we created artificial intelligence and then taught it how to trade. The bot analyzes data from the given trading pair over the past month, compares it with the current situation, and predicts short-term market movements. Today, its win rate is 91.3%, and it's still improving because my team and I are constantly refining it. Don't forget to enable all the necessary notification settings in Telegram and in your chat with the bot. The market is often very volatile, so you need to stay on top of things. Note that 10 minutes before the trading session starts, the bot sends the post with the currency pairs it can predict. If you're ready to trade, click the big button at the bottom of the chat. If not, the bot won't bother you. It's convenient. We made it polite and free of unnecessary notifications. As you can see, we have the following pairs today. 10 minutes is more than enough time to get ready since there is hardly anything to set up. Open the trading platform, set the trade time frame to 1 minute and the candles to 30 seconds. Indicators. My hand instinctively reached to select some. But today, we don't need them, and they'll just get in the way. Instead of indicators, we'll have the chat with the bot on our phone in front of us. I'm probably getting too detailed. Let's just see how it works. You will understand better than from any manual. Alright, the bot analyzed the Aussie and American pair, preparing to put my precious 15. And it's already sent the forecast. The next minute we'll see a downward trend. Without hesitation or question, I click down. Today is just one of those days. I don't want to overthink or analyze. Just listening to the bot and that's it. Super! Let's be honest, that's a simple task. Did you see how the candles went down? They moved far from the entry point. We weren't risking anything because the chart's behavior was predictable. We had to go down from the level after the local transition. Moving on. How about taking the human factor out of trading? Over 12,000 people are already following AI bot's success on my Telegram, and that number keeps growing without any ads. The bot predicts market behavior with a 91.3% accuracy. I get offers to sell it or trade for high positions in a company that makes billions every year, but the potential of AI technology is too valuable to trade for anything trivial. The bot is free for now. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on notifications. The link is in the description and in the first pinned comment. Okay, we got the next signal. AI suggests the next pair. The next minute we'll see a steady upward trend. Overall, you can see that after the correction, the chart almost stopped at a certain level. So we're expecting a bounce up. Clicking up, waiting for the result. Well, I trusted AI and it paid off. Nice boost. Notice how the trade closed relatively close to the entry point, but on this platform that doesn't matter. Our reward isn't dependent on the difference between the buying and selling prices. It depends solely on the correctly predicted directions of the asset's movement. We only care about where the market is generally headed, up or down. The bot is tuned to identify this trend. No joke. My AI bot is putting YouTube traders out of business. It's free for now, so over 12,000 people are using it without any ads. It just went viral. Anyone can use it from their phone or computer, even traders without their own bot. The AI syncs with Telegram. No setup or broker integrations needed. The bot works independently. I often do trading sessions, following the bot's predictions, and everything is transparent. On average, subscribers make 700 per session. I run the Telegram so that any beginner, even some who's never traded before, can understand. Click the link in the description and see for yourself. Alright, the bot predicts a price drop for the next pair within a minute. Let's not waste time, follow the bot, watching. And here is the result. Of course, I'm proud of my creation. Hope you understand. 106. We're climbing higher. What can I say? The bot correctly identified that after a brief consolidation and correction, the downtrend would continue. Fresh signal. Eyes up. Just click down without overthinking and wait. It's crucial to follow all actions immediately after the bot sends a signal. Everything went smoothly. The bot caught that the correction would end and the negative trend would continue. Yeah, that's simple. The bot suggests returning to the previous pair. Again, don't waste precious seconds. Sets everything up, waiting for the notification, clicking up without questioning the collective wisdom to the top traders and developers. Today, AI bot is the captain and I'm just a deckhand. The AI easily identified the local minimum and accurately predicted an upward trend would follow. There was a lot of green on the screen, so I knew right away the forecast was spot on. The bot suggests returning to a previous pair, which makes sense given we're doing 7 trades in total. How do I know the number of trades? I wish I could say I'm Harry Potter's son, but no. I'm just a trader who helped develop this bot. Notification. Clicking up without delay. Waiting. I feel a bit awkward constantly saying the bot this, the bot that, the bot is great, but in reality, it's me and my team who put everything into it. Without this artificial brain, we fine-tune for perfect trading performance, and not just once. Alright, I need to make an effort and not praise the bot for at least a minute. Next, notifications from my artificial partner. Switching to a new pair, I'm ready. Waiting for the command, and down. Whew, that was close to the entry point. But this proves the bot's effectiveness. It doesn't calculate the maximum difference between entry and exit points. We count the bounce after the local minimum. It was the trend for that minute and forecast was correct. I'm taking my 1442. Again, this shows why it's crucial to follow the bot's notifications to the second. Everything works perfectly, but there needs to be minimal response time between the bot and the trader. Today's sessions was awesome, all thanks to the bot in which my team and I put not only our skills and experience but also a piece of our soul. It hit me that trading is like space travel, but more rewarding. Astronauts no more land on Mars or Moon themselves, they send robots. Astronauts now work on skillfully operating machines or giving them the right instructions. Trading is better than space exploration, because we don't have to work. Yet often, our sessions are so successful, it feels like we're rocketing to the stratosphere. To avoid missing them, subscribe to the Telegram channel and turn on notifications. Don't miss out. Subscribe to the Telegram channel and turn on notifications. I keep it simple for beginners and interesting for the pros. The link is in the first pinned comment. See you there.